Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and because it's summer and because it's warm, we are trying to make easy and quick hairstyles these days. So, section of the crown hair, just take the top of the hair, and you see I have like an oval shape, if you want to say that, like this. Just clip it away for the time being. You know, I always take most of the time to make neat part lines because I think that this makes the style look especially good. So, and then I just make a straight line on the back of the head. And this is my portion of hair. Now we're going to braid later. We're going to do a very easy braid today, just a simple Dutch braid. The rest of the hair is just right now clipped away. Brush everything neatly through, you don't want tangles. And then you take the top section of the hair, take a portion from the front. I'm applying here before some oil because it makes the hair smoother, protects it when we go to the beach or when we go into the sun. Here it's very warm, we have 30 until 40 degrees the whole summer, so we want to be protected, not only our skin, also our hair. Take the front portion and then split it into 3 equal strands. And I start with bringing the left under the middle and the right under the middle, and then with the next stitch I add in hair. So bring the strand under and then add in hair from the side. Bring it under and add in hair. You see, I want this to be a quick style, so these are not tiny skinny portions. I take a good bunch of hair that I'm adding in, holding everything in between of my fingers, and just do a regular Dutch braid, just a simple 3-strand braid. So if you are new here and it's the first time you do a Dutch braid, it's called Dutch braid just because it's brought under instead of a regular French braid where you would bring the strand over. So if you reach the end of the hair that you had to add in, I do one more stitch and then pull gently at the outer edges to make the braid look wider and loosen it up a bit, make it look a bit more boho, not so stiff, just perfect for summer. And you see it's very quick to be done. And then if you reach the end, take a little elastic, tie it off, secure it, make sure it won't unravel. We are nearly done. So clip this away for the time being. And then we're going to make a high ponytail. So take the remaining hair. I make Margarita hold the hair ties so that I don't have to look for them later. And I use now some spray wax to make sure that flyaways won't be in the middle. Pull all the hair from the neck up to where you want your high ponytail to be located. And then I'm using this brush that I never know how one calls it, so leave me a comment down below if you have an idea how this brush is called. But I love it because it really makes very smooth the sides, especially the sides, and just makes it look so neat and perfect. If you have all together, take a hair elastic. I take again one of those clear ones, and because it's so warm and the elastics do not like me when it's so warm, they just snap, I always take 2. So tie it off. I want it to look neat, and then we make a little trick. You take the braid that we did before, let me show you closer, and then you go through the loop with your 2 fingers and bring the ponytail through. Make your model hold the ponytail, and then you can tie the braid under it, and this gives an effect of pulling up all the rest of the hair. Look at this. How does this ponytail look? I love the result. Let's see, we make the final spin and you tell me what you think of this style. Would you wear it? I just like to adjust if needed at the end. Use some hairspray if you are afraid of flyaways or if you are coping with a lot of humidity like we do here in Spain. So look at this, nice and fluffy. This is our final result. Just a simple Dutch braid. This style takes you less than 10 minutes and it looks so cute. If you want, you could add even some curls to the ponytail, but I just liked how it turned out and I was so happy that it was so quick. So if you're new on our channel, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the little notification bell, and hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.